In front of me is Nubia Z60S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then tap on Consent and select this gear at the top left corner to operate all of those options. When you finished, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Safe Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!